Good morning, Woodlanders. Today we are going to look at this word, million, which refers to a very huge amount. Okay, so I have a picture here where I've zoomed in with a microscope, a special microscope, millions of times. I've zoomed in millions of times. Can you guess what this picture is? It is actually the surface of a strawberry. Next one. I think this is easier to guess. You're right, it is Velcro. Next, slightly harder. This is human hair with a split end. Now, I think we have a better idea what million means. We have zoomed in millions of times and we can see objects at a small scale. Let's see one more example. This is the newly minted $1 coin that will be distributed in Singapore very soon. It measures a diameter of 2.465 cm and a thickness of 0.25 cm. Let's focus here. Now, what happens if I stack 1 million $1 coins on top of each other? I will get a structure that is 2,500 meters tall. But how tall is that? Let's compare it with some of the tallest buildings in the world. For instance, the tallest building right now in the world is Burj Khalifa from Dubai. It measures about 800 meters tall. And that means our stack of 1 million coins will actually be about 3 times as tall.
Oh my god!
I'm also interested to find out how long it takes for me to transfer 5 coins to a plate. Let's see. The video shows that I need 5.7 seconds to transfer the 5 coins to the plate. And if I were to transfer 1 million coins to the same plate, that will take me this amount of time, which actually refers to 13 days without sleeping. I have to transfer the coins over and over for 13 days. Now that we have a better understanding of what million means, it just refers to huge numbers. Okay, let's look at some reports. Now, a paper from the Straits Times mentioned that 4 in 10 Singaporeans are not saving enough for retirement and they blame high cost of living for that. It also mentioned that many young adults may face difficulty saving if they buy houses and cars that they cannot afford. As a rule of thumb, most would require about 50 to 70% of their last drawn annual salary to maintain their current standard of living until retirement and even beyond retirement. A statistic from the Ministry of Manpower website says that the average monthly salary in 2012 is $3,480. What does this amount mean to us? Now, I'm going to use the CPF retirement estimator. You can find this on the CPF website. Imagine that I'm now 28 years old or you are 28 years old and your current monthly salary is the average monthly salary. If you factor in bonus, and you calculate, that will give you $673,977 that you will require at the retirement age of 62 to continue living for another 20 years, okay, at the same standard of living. Well, although this is not in millions of dollars, but it is still a huge amount of money. Now that we have talked about big numbers and savings, please spend some time with your teacher to think about these 2 questions. Teacher, you may pause the video at this moment. Thank you and have a great day.